Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to install 4-inch oval tube chrome side steps on the 24 Silverado. So this is what I've got here to install. So I'll get the camera turned around and we'll show you what we've got here and we'll get going on it. So here we have all the different bits to the side steps. We've got the mounting brackets ×6. We've got the driver's side and the passenger side steps. And this longer piece here goes towards the back of the truck. I'll show you when I get them on. This piece here at the front of the truck will be a little bit shorter here, so the longer thing goes to the back. And again, of course, the name's on the outside here. We've got a whole bunch of hardware and basically one page of instructions. So I'll get the camera set up and we will get to installing these. I've got to get down here and there's can't see it right now, but I'll bring you in there. I'll get your teeth up in there. There's some plugs that have to come out where there's some threaded holes where those brackets fit. So we'll get the camera set up, some lights set up so you can have a look, and we'll get at her. So I'll be right back as soon as I'm set up. Okay, I'll get your teeth up in here. So these plugs have to come out of this location and another location just up in there. And they have to be done 1, 2, 3, and there's one at the very back. I've got a bolt in that one already, so you can see that. That's the 4th location that plug. Those plugs have to come out of top and bottom, and then the bracket will get bolted in those holes with those bolts, basically like that. So once I get a couple of these brackets on in those locations, I'll show you what they look like, and I'll be right back. I'll get a couple installed and I'll show you what it looks like. So we'll be right back. Oh, and again, that's what these body plugs look like that plug the bolt holes. So you just get a screwdriver up underneath them here and a pair of side pliers, whatever, and just pop them out. Those holes are already threaded. Okay, we'll get your teeth back under here. So I've got these brackets bolted on to the body there. So, and they're just loose. So you leave these loose and then you put the chrome bars on it, and once you get everything lined up, then you can tighten it down. And I'll show you what wrench sizes to use, but I've got all the 3 body brackets on. And they're, like I said, they're loose. So I'll lay the bar on here, and we'll put the bolts on up underneath here, and we'll bring you back and we'll tell you what sizes of wrenches you need to tighten this up. So again, of course, we are in Canada, and this stuff all has to be metric, so we're looking at 13 millimeter for the body side brackets, and you've got lock washer and washer, so that's 13 millimeter for the body side brackets. And for the steps proper, we have a 17 millimeter for the steps proper, and again, lock washer, washer. And again, that's for the steps proper. So you put all that together loose. Here's all the hardware. And of course, you know, can't be a typical installation kit without missing parts. So we do have a couple of missing lock washers. So we'll have to walk over to the bin over here and get a couple of lock washers for that. But otherwise, you know, 2 extra of the small lock washers, which should have been here. So we'll get those bolts in, and we'll get these steps laid on the side and loose, and I'll bring you back when I got that done. Sorry there, I didn't want to mislead anybody. It's the short piece to the back and the long piece to the front, and then the bolts line up. I had it backwards, so I took the other one out, flipped it around. Again, it's this short little piece to the back and the long little bar at the front. So I'll get underneath here and I'll get those bolts in here, and I'll bring you back. So there we have the passenger side step on. Again, super sturdy bars. They work really good. I had a set on my other truck. They were black, but I decided to go with chrome ones on this because of the chrome mirrors and such. But again, it's rinse and repeat on the other side. I won't bore you to death with that. I'll just bring you over to the hardware again. Of course, bracket. And these small bolts are the ones that go up into here, right? That go into the body. Simple like that. So, and then again, these are the ones that go up into the step itself. So you get the step on, you tighten these ones up snug first, and then tighten these brackets up, and you'll be fine. And again, this is the side that will go towards the front of the cab or the front of the truck. And I'll bring you back when I got the other one installed, just to kind of show you. It's a little, I got the truck pulled over to the side of the shop, but I'll get this one on over here. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And yeah, again, it doesn't take very long to put these on. So I will be back in a few, and we'll show you what it looks like on both sides. So there we have it, installed on both sides. Here, a sharp looking step. So that's what they kind of look like there. But yeah, installed on both sides. You guys can easily do this in under an hour. The worst part of the job is pulling out those body plugs where the bolts go in to mount the mounting brackets. And again, simple tools. So if you're looking at putting running boards on your truck or steps, you can, again, do them at home, in your shop or your garage or out in the driveway. Take you about an hour. And why pay somebody to do it when you can either do it in an hour or less on your own? So again, I hope you guys got something out of this video on how to install a set of side steps on your truck. And remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.